Alright, hey everyone, welcome back to Trinidad Outdoors. Today we're going to try a new challenge for us. We're going to try to catch a fish in like 10 or 15 minutes. As you can see, it's 4:08. My wife just dropped us off. We got a storm blowing in. I don't know if you can see that up there, but hopefully you can see that. And we're going to see if we can catch a fish real quick. Alright, hope everyone's well. See you in a minute. Alright, so maybe you can see the storm better there. So this is the Purgatory River, and it's running pretty good. The runoff has started, so we're not blown out by any stretch of the manner, but it is got some water in it. All right, here we go. It's looking clear today. Hang on. Can you see that? It is super clear. I wonder if you guys can see that on film. That might be way too bright for this river. See if we can turn a fish in there. Try to always fish upriver. That way the fish, you're walking up on the fish from behind, guys. The fish will face upriver, so they won't see you coming if you always fish upriver. If you fish downstream, the fish can see you coming and you can spook them. I mean, it can be done, you just have to be a lot more careful about it. Oh, there's one. Oh, we got ourselves a little brown here, guys. Oh, and it's gone. All right, so that was the first cast on this new hole. Kyla, what time we got on the?
4:12.
4:12. Show us the phone. Oh, look at there, 4:12. Good job, Kyla. Thank you. You're an awesome assistant. So 4:12 was our first fish. So we completed the 15-minute challenge. That's kind of exciting. Okay, where's our next hole, guide Kyla?
Right here.
Is it right here? Yep. All right. Yep, he's okay. He's collecting pollen. So this is the top end of the last hole we were on, and the bottom end of the next hole. We'll try a couple casts right here. Oh, shoot, fire, there's one. Jeez, he almost took the rod out of my hand, guys. Oh, get back in the water. Let's see, what do we got? Rainbow. Nice little beautiful rainbow.
Can I touch it?
So, check that out, guys. Hang on, sweetheart. And in you go.
And that's
Live long and get big.
That was at
4:17. Oh, all the way up into that next hole. All the way in there. This has got to give us a fish. Yep. No, maybe not. Yep, getting a little excited there.
Try those rocks right there.
You want to try those rocks right there? Okay. Right there?
Yeah, there's one.
Oh, did you see him? There was two fish that chased it. Good call, Kyla. Kyla putting us on more fish. Can we get another one out of that little hole? Are we going a little too fast for you guys?
Yeah.
You being lazy? Okay, one more, and we'll move on to the next hole. Try Kyla's idea again. Oh, that was a big fish. That was a big fish. He just barely bit it. That was a big boy there, guys. That was a big boy. He barely hit the end of that thing was all. He came from pretty far down the river too. Are you guys still rolling? Okay, you're still rolling, good. I don't know if you guys saw it or not. I doubt it. Let's see if we try it. Oh, there's one. Damn, I put it right on his nose. Oh, there's another one. Hit it. Come on, hit it. Gosh, I hope you guys can see all those fish in there. I think this orange is just a little too bright, guys, is what's going on here, because I'm watching a lot of fish run up and strike at it. Sometimes they're not hitting it, sometimes they're hitting it.
Are you ready for them to come to you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, guys, it sounds like my wife's on her way back. What time are we at?
4:24.
4:24 right now?
Yeah.
Okay. One more.
Have 5 more.
That was one more good one. Here we go. Okay, there's a good one.
Like I said.
All right.
30 exactly.
Oh yeah. All right, guys. So we completed the challenge. It was pretty easy. Normally that river's a lot more difficult to catch fish on, but there are days you just get lucky. We were fishing the 1/8 ounce or 1/16 ounce rooster tail in orange. There she bees. 1/16 ounce was the ticket. It was probably a little too bright. A little more subtle color probably would have been a lot better. So, all right, I hope everyone's well, and we will see you in the next video. Thanks for joining us, and if you enjoyed what you saw, hit that subscribe button.